Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to view Instagram account when blocked. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Head over to your DMs. Suppose our account have blocked you and you want to see their Instagram account. There is specifically apparently no way that you can view their Instagram account, but all you can do is create another account and head over to that account you want to see it off. Then if you found that, just give them a follow, or if you get lucky, you might get accepted. So that's how you can just upload. That's how you can just see their account when blocked. And yeah, that's it. Hopefully this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.